Hey guys, and welcome back. This week we are going to do Chloe Ting's, if that's how you say her name. Today we're going to do her 2-week ab challenge, which is this one, and I've seen quite a few videos of people doing it and it seems quite promising. So we're going to do that because I want to have abs. I feel like I have it in me to have abs. You know, I don't know if you feel me, but we want abs, so we're gonna get them. This is day one. You can basically see what's happening. I definitely have more definition up here, but my belly is like, it's, yeah, okay, it's not a lot, but my belly is there. So I just finished my workout and look at me, guys. Look, I don't get, like, she makes it look so easy, honestly. I wasn't expecting much of a difference. It's day one, I mean, but yeah, day one, done. So today is day 8 of the ab challenge, and a few things have changed since the first time I started the workout, so I just wanted to update and tell you what I've tweaked. So for the first 2 days I only did this 10-minute workout, which I found wasn't doing much, as you would expect. Like 10 minutes of abs, like, it does something but it doesn't do a lot. So like at the end of the workout I would feel tired, but my abs wouldn't feel like they've been through something, you know, and I wanted to feel like my abs are working. So the next day I decided to add another workout, which was this one. For the next 2 days I did 2 10-minute workouts, which were on day 3 and day 4. So I did one in the morning and one in the evening, right, to just try and spread it out, because I was very tired. Like the first few days I was very tired after doing one 10-minute workout, so I couldn't do it all at the same time. So yeah, and then on day 5 I went on Chloe Ting's website and I saw her program, and I basically saw that there's one that you're supposed to do every day, and then she shuffles between 3 or 4 other exercises. So I was like, yo, that's a lot. I usually, as much as I'm at home, like it's a lot. I didn't feel like doing 50 minutes of exercises, so I decided to do these 3 workouts. Since day 5 I've been either doing all 3 of them or just 2 that I feel like doing. And yeah, I decided to add the lower ab one because I felt like the other 2 were targeting more of my like upper abs. I felt like my belly wasn't getting enough attention, so I added that one, and now I feel better, you know. But I will say though, her exercises are quite, they're not very difficult, and they're also not very easy. They're like medium intensity, which is like perfect, so anyone can do it. Even if you've never done one ab workout in your life, you'll do it the first time and you'll fail, and then the next day you'll start getting a hang of it. And another thing that I've had to get a hang of is the breathing, as well as the engaging your core, because if you don't engage your core you really won't feel anything. And that's how I was feeling for the first 2 days. I felt like I didn't do anything in those 2 days really. So now we're at day 8 and I'm gonna do 2 workouts today, maybe 3, I don't know. Yeah. Hey guys, so today is day 14 of the Chloe Ting ab challenge, and I feel good. I was supposed to, when I started this video, I wanted to do it for 14 days only, but now I feel like I want to do it for another week or two, maybe. I don't know, maybe I'm stretching it by saying another 2 weeks. But yeah, it's been really good actually. My form has definitely improved, for sure. My form has improved. I don't feel too tired after doing the workout. I remember saying that I was feeling bloated last week or on the first week of the challenge, and now it's reduced by like a lot, really a lot. I don't feel bloated anymore. I don't look bloated anymore. I don't have the bloated abs look anymore. And yeah, I'm gonna continue doing it because my lower belly is still testing me, but we're gonna continue doing it. Hey guys, so today is day 20 of the TING AB challenge, and I've decided to stop because, okay, I decided to stop not because I'm not doing it anymore, just because I'm not doing it as consistently. Like, I'm not doing it every single day like I was for the first 14 days or 14 or 15 days. So yeah, and that's because I'm making excuses, but I wasn't at home for a while. So yeah, you know guys, exercising inside your house is already because you're like already afraid of getting caught. Now it's someone else's house. I'm not gonna stop doing the exercises. I'm just gonna stop the video here because then I don't want it to be a very inconsistent 30 days. So I'm gonna end it at day 20. So yeah, this is what I looked like on day 15 of the challenge. And listen, when I started this challenge, I didn't have abs. My stomach was just flat, so I didn't think that I would have results. Like, I thought it would take a lot more to see anything changing, but it actually, wow, it actually went. The first week I wasn't seeing anything. I was like, action, this is not gonna work. And then the second week I started seeing the obliques coming in. I think that's where they start, is the obliques and like the upper region of your abs. That's where you start feeling it the most. You start feeling and seeing it the most there. So yeah, that was on day 15, and this is what I look like now on day 20. And I don't think there's too much of a difference, but I can feel a difference. I can feel the muscles growing, you know. I can feel that I have muscles now. Like before, I didn't have muscles, it was just flat. Now I can feel the muscles, and I can flex, and I can, like, I just feel different. I don't know if you understand, but I feel stronger because I think the workout incorporates so many different types of movements that it's not only just, it won't only work your abs, you know. At some point your arms will be sore as well. Don't get, I may have been doing the exercises wrong, that's why my arms were sore. But anyway, I think it works a lot of your body. Like, there's a lot of compound movements in it, so it's not just sit down ab type of exercises, which is great. Throughout my 20 days, I did these two workouts most of the times. I did add a third one, which is the lower ab one, but I think I only did that a few times. I enjoyed doing the 11 line one and the other one more, so I just continued doing those ones back to back or repeatedly, or sometimes I would just do the 11 line ab one twice. And yeah, as for the way I was eating pretty normally. I didn't do any I wasn't dieting. I didn't really change the way I was eating. Like, if I felt like eating chips, I ate the chips. Like, if I felt like eating biscuits, I ate the biscuits. you know, it's fine. And that's the thing, that's the thing, guys. I didn't have to change the way I eat, and I also didn't have to do any cardio for me to see a difference in my abs, which one of the reasons why my abs are not as defined as they could be after 20 days of doing this workout is because I haven't been doing any cardio. But I have very good results regardless of the fact that I wasn't doing cardio, which is amazing, because like if there's fat sitting on top of your abs, then you'll basically never see them. Like, you can feel the muscles, but you won't be able to see them because there's like a layer of fat on top, right? So you generally just have to burn that fat, and then you'll get better definition. But I'm lazy, so I didn't do the HIIT workouts. I just did the ab, the 10-minute ab ones, and yeah, I found that worked for me really well. Yeah, no, the first few days, yeah, no, it wasn't on. So this is the end of me, you know, documenting the challenge. So this is what I look like on day 1, and this is what I look like now. I'm gonna continue doing her workout, and we'll see, because I really actually want abs. So I'm just gonna continue doing them, and then I'll see how far I go, and I'll probably leave some progress photos on Instagram. So follow me there if you want to see progress photos, because the photos that I've been posting, actually my progress photos have been on my Instagram stories. So go follow me there. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more like fitnessy type videos, give this video a thumbs up so I know. I wanted to do some fitness related videos, but it's like, what is this channel about? You know, it's very confusing, because now I can talk about tech, I talk about my lifestyle, I talk about fitness, and I speak about clothing. I don't know what this channel is, guys. I don't know what it is. But if you want to see more fitness videos, just let me know, or let me know what type of videos you want to see. Actually, just let me know in the comments, okay? And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm not even a singer. I don't know how to sing. Okay, so I just finished the second round.